real quick, those light bulbs that I got from the Dollar Tree, I have put them in, and look at the difference of lighting. I still have that little bit of a glare on my desk, but there's something else I'm going to try. But look at how much brighter everything is. These are the warm white sunbeam LED energy saving bulbs. Warm white, I think, is the key to it all. And so it replaces a 60-watt bulb with a 9-watt. It's actually a 9-watt bulb, so it's really safe in most like desk lamps and stuff. So this is my new go-to light for my filming. I have one light up here. Sorry for the glare, but I have one light up there. And then I have added in another one right here. And there's some chaos. There's why. This is why I have named myself Pixie Dust and Chaos. Look at my desk. This is my desk. Yep. That's a craft that I'm going to be doing later. I've got it all staged up for doing a tutorial with it. There's some Christmas cards from this year that I'm probably going to do some crafts with. My favorite glue. My favorite glue. I see you. This stuff right here. In so many craft videos, I have seen everybody using E6000. E6000 this and E6000 this. Oh, use E6000. Everybody raves about E6000. Well, buddy, B7000's got you beat. Big time. I don't like E6000 because it doesn't have a narrow applicator. The one that does have a narrow applicator, when you screw the lid back on, the lid ends up getting glued to it, and you have to like destroy the tube to get back into it. This one does not. Let me put the camera back on the holder, and I'll show you. Look at this. When you open it, you pull it out. It's got a little needle that goes down in the tube to keep it from clogging. It's like clog free, and that is such a blessing. I've gone through like a gazillion different glues. Let me just grab some here and show you. Of course, crazy glue. Crazy glue. This little tube. Now this one does have that clog-free little nail in it. Not exactly the best, but it's alright. It's kind of too runny. Gets all over the place. Ends up gluing my fingers together, and I'm a messy crafter. You'll see glossy accents. Glossy accents is this nice little, like, not quite acrylic, but a dimensional medium, as it says on its thing. It's good to do a clear, hard finish on things. I've even went so far to get Eileen's tacky glue in this precision pin. It looks like there's a little nub down inside the cap that will keep the tip from getting clogged. I don't know how this has turned into a glue thing, but like I said, Pixie Dust and Chaos. I am a little chaotic with the way I do things sometimes. Beacon 3-in-1. I researched and came across this, and everybody was like, this is really good. It doesn't have a lot of odor. It's clear. It's grabs quickly, dries quickly, all that stuff. But it doesn't clog, so that's a good thing. The lid doesn't glue to itself. But when you go to use it, it's really a difficult, like, it comes out really, really slow and hard and thick. So I don't know, when I bought this, I don't know if it's an old bottle and the glue is kind of like drying up or something, or if that's the way that this 3-in-1 is supposed to be. I use it. It's not my favorite to use. It ends up hurting my wrist to use it. My B7000, baby. This is the key. This is the bomb. It does have an odor, but it's waterproof, flexible. It's paintable. There's a hint of scent, so it's not super strong. It's not as strong as like an E6000 scent, but this is my go-to. So just here's two of my go-tos. That's how it came about. Two of my go-tos right there. All right, I'll let you guys go. If you like this, make sure you hit the like, the thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you hit that little bell so you know when I'm uploading. All right, I'll see you on the next one.